Thank you.
The doctors were getting out to consult. They came back inside and we continued to negotiate until the last minute when they have said that, one, their constitution does not allow them to sign documents at night. Number two, on the issues that they introduced that were not initially in the document.
That the last minute, the doctors' union came with other issues that were not discussed yesterday in Parliament. And even for the outstanding issues, we had agreed that they will be determined by the court.
When you have negotiated and you've had almost 99.9% of the issues in compliance, then I don't think 0.1% can make you still want the strike to stay on. We had initially said that we will not victimize the doctors who have been on strike. We still remain committed to the cause. However, it is not possible to stay like that forever. And therefore, in the event that we still do not have doctors back to work, we cannot let our people to continue dying. We will have no choice but to replace them.
To allow us to sort out this matter, next week, we shall ask the judge to allow us to intervene in all the measures that can be. One is he can go ahead and compel the doctors to report to work.
They were asking to standardize consultants at Job Group Q. Some of the counties have actually already put consultants at Job Group R, which means if we have to harmonize, they will come down. So we have discussed all this. But I think it's not fair that the intransigence of one party to the negotiations and the internal politics holds Kenyans hostage. This we will not accept.
And also we invite...
Now,